Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today, I finally found 3 of the 4 Fire and Ice Spin Master Monster Jam singles, and we're going to review them right now. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is a very exciting day because the Fire and Ice singles finally hit my Walmart, which has not restocked any Spin Master stuff since the beginning, so January 1st to now, and they actually put the singles Mix 1 and the Mix 1 doubles on the shelves, along with these singles of the Fire and Ice. Let's get into the review. So today I do have 1 Fire, like I said, Gravedigger, and 2 Ice, the Blue Thunder and Soldier Fortune to review. We're going to start here actually with Soldier Fortune, since I have to admit it's my least favorite of this set, but I do think it's still very cool to see it in a different form. So we're going to zoom in here a little bit, and let's go ahead and open up the Soldier Fortune Ice. And here it is out of the box. You got the singles Soldier Fortune. Of course, it comes with the nice phone number complaint card. These are what the Fire and Ice trucks, both doubles and singles, feature. And you have the Ice logo for the Soldier Fortune with the icicles in the background. And of course, the actual insert card is painted blue for the Ice team instead of green, which is standard for the regular releases. You can see Wonder Woman there. And you got the Soldier Fortune itself. So here it is. Great piece. I actually really like this out of the box. It looks much better. So let's grab the Soldier Fortune to compare real quick. So overall, basically the chassis color has been changed. The roll cage has been changed to white. The chassis instead of chrome is blue. The rims are blue instead of green. Of course, the tires are a transparent, nice icy blue, and the treads are painted white. You have the side panel, which features the same American flag in full color, which is very cool. The Monster Jam Ice logo has been added instead of the regular Monster Jam logo. And of course, the AA C1055 is still on the side here. Besides that, all the camo and little details of the side have been changed to just baby blue, white, and dark blue, and the paint color has been changed to a baby blue as well. So here's the hood. The window has also been changed to blue. I'm noticing that now. And here's the other side. And the tailgate features the Ice Soldier Fortune logo with white taillights instead of red. So very good piece. Let me just get a little zoom in here. So solid piece actually. People didn't like this one as much as the others, but I really think this one actually is pretty nice. Not bad at all. So very nice Soldier Fortune truck. And next up we have the Blue Thunder, so let's check it out. Here is Blue Thunder. We're just going to go straight into it, so here we go. So here's the Blue Thunder. Of course, it has this same complaint card with the phone numbers for all the countries. And here's the blue insert with the Ice. Actually, this does not have a change in logo. I guess they kept the same Blue Thunder logo, but you can see the icicles on there. So here's the regular Blue Thunder to compare. So basically the concept of this Blue Thunder, and I think this is my favorite ice truck so far from these singles, is that it's actually supposed to be a frozen over or iced over river or pond. So you can see how they changed the lightning effect to be ice cracking, little cracks and branches in the ice that actually form. When you drop something on a pond that's frozen over, you'll notice how it just spreads out in a massive amounts of little cracks. So that's pretty much the effect that's going on here. And you can see that it does have some nice little white texture detailing in the actual paint itself. Compared to the Blue Thunder, pretty much this logo has been darkened significantly. The Ice logo has been added. Taillights taken off, which I understand because the tailgate actually is sized up way bigger than the normal one. The taillights are gone so they can size it up. That looks really good. This has been changed to white and blue instead of blue and white. The negative spacebar is still black, and here's the hood and roof compared. I'll show this one by itself in just a second, but there they are compared. You can see the branches of Ice have been really added more than the standard Lightning has. The branches of the Lightning are very minimal, but the branches of the Ice cracking are very big here. And of course, the headlights and grille are still printed in on the front here. And so that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at it by itself on the side panels. So here's the side. Very good details. I love the light blue. Just really looks like a wintry truck. You can see here on the hood as well. Also, we have a nice dark blue window. There's the roof. You can see the white detailing that I was talking about, the shadowing, or whatever that effect's supposed to be, kind of like a windy effect. There's the tailgate, and here's the other side. So very good truck. One of my favorite ice trucks so far from the entire series. And let's check out that Gravedigger because I'm very excited to see what it looks like out of the box. One of my favorites of the entire Fire team so far, the Gravedigger. We're going to open it up right now. So here it is, the Fire Gravedigger. Here's the insert card. I forgot to show it. Here it is with the nice Gravedigger logo. Looks great in black and orange. And of course, you got the special edition in blue rather than the red. So pretty cool. They actually paid attention to card detailing that way. And you can see the fire compared to the icicles on the card. And of course it does feature this complaint card, which you've seen in the past in this video. So here it is. We actually have a big correction of Gravediggers happening here in order. So from mix 1, we received this Gravedigger with this stripe on the hood that actually ended before the triangular tip. The flames also cut off before they reached the bottom of the hood. In mix 2, the Nitro Neon's Gravedigger did feature the triangular tip, but did not connect the hood flames down to the bottom part of the hood. And for Fire and Ice, they finally listened to the community's concerns about this, and they did connect the flames down on the little crease here. So now we feature the entire flame pattern and also the triangular tip, and it appears as if maybe even the triangular tip was sized up. Yep, the hood stripe has been sized up significantly to be wider on here. And hopefully in the future, when we receive more of these Gravedigger styles, the standard one, we will see these full flame pattern and triangular tip, just like this Fire and Ice one. So here it is. Let's take a quick look at the side panel. I am very impressed with how detailed this thing is. First off, I want to point out that the entire graveyard has turned into sort of a underworld style scene. You can see it's full of flames. The moon has turned to a dark yellow. The fire in the house, you can see the rings have turned into a dark orange. The ghost itself has flames coming out of its eyes and is a dark orange as well. The logo, of course, the same one as the box had, and some more flames coming off the USH Area logo. You got the Spin Master logo right there in the tombstone, the Monster Jam logo, and the Monster Jam Fire logo. The only current Gravedigger that has 2 Monster Jam logos from Spin Master. And you got the headlights, standard headlights, no change to the color. And here's the other side. My Gravedigger did get a tampo error. You can see there it's been double printed. That's pretty unfortunate, but oh well. Here's the roof though. One of my favorite parts about this truck, you can see the actual Grim Reaper has been turned into this really devilish looking creature with flames coming off and the flames forming the actual skull and crossbones, and of course Bad to the Bone in yellow and orange, the Gravedigger logo in black and orange, and the flames coming off the top, and it does feature a orange window. So that is the Fire and Ice singles review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I think this is definitely some of the best stuff we've seen from Spin Master so far. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you guys think about these Fire and Ice trucks for the singles packs in the comments below. And until next time, this is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.